These are KitchenAid shelves, and we bought them after we had to buy a new roof, and there had been a leak in 2 closets, and so the roof needed to be, because of hail damage. Anyway, so am I happy with the way this looks? Not really, because I put the Sirena vacuum cleaner in it, and so it's not really just a pillow closet. And so I've got to figure out which closet I want to put my Sirena. When I got married, I got 80 lead crystal bowls. And one of the things I did is I got this pillow and I got this pillow. I made the pillow on the left. And then I found a framed picture of the coastline of South Carolina, and I made a pillow out of that. And then I made 2 pillows like this one. I don't know what happened to the other pillow. This one came from my mother. So what happened to the one I gave my mother-in-law, I do not know. Things like that, I think, may have been donated before Bob got down there. And then there's a pillow that came from my grandmother, Mabel Fairchild's hanky. She was a buyer. And then I made those 2 top pillows. And I made most of the pillows in here. And I did put a light. Remember, you can get those lights that have magnets on the back, and you can put them in your closet so it's not so dark. And when we have company, there are pillowcases up there. Most of them have the dust mite protectant on it, pillow protector on it. And then I've got pillows from clothing that I've made from Bob and from my mother-in-law and father-in-law. And then we were given a gift of things from my mother-in-law and father-in-law. So we have those pillows. And then I have some things that are from my mother. And I've got a neighbor who made a cathedral pillow for me. So I just really have enjoyed these pillows. And the Sirena does fit in here, but I can't put all of the little attachments and everything that also goes with the Sirena. And that I can't put the other hose and the other wand in here. And it's like, the Sirena really takes up so much space. I would need a larger closet than this to put everything. Or I would need to just say this is for the Sirena and not put anything else in here. So this is what I did with my closet. And am I going to do anything else with it? I don't know, but if you want to give me some more ideas, I would appreciate it. I can always use more ideas on how to do this. We may put another shelf in here. I would really like to put another shelf in here so I can put more pillows in, because this is not all of my pillows. Well, I'm happy with the light. I'll put more lighting in the closet. And I'm happy with the door.